Hey everyone, I'm here with Regis, and we're just about to wind up the Intensive Pool Clinic in Jacksonville, Florida. Regis, I've got a couple of questions for you, and then if you have anything to add, that's great. The content of the course, do you feel it was put together well and you learned information that you weren't necessarily aware of, or we maybe clarified some things that you had heard before?
Yes, I believe it was put together very well. Everything was given to you in bite-sized pieces. You would try things one step at a time. Instructors would come around and help you out. It was very
Well, you mentioned something extremely important. It's all building blocks. So we have to start with the foundation and then add upon that. I believe that's what you're referring to.
yes.
Secondly, the instructors. Do you feel like they were overall professional? They were knowledgeable, able to answer your questions, able to help you at your table?
Yes, I had no issues. When they seen something wrong or if I was doing something wrong, they were easily able to get in there and help me out and help me.
In a positive way.
Yes. Yeah,
That's so important.
for sure.
Finally, do you feel like you received good value for your money?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Absolutely. These are skills that I could take back and I could develop from this foundation that we created here.
Yeah,
So
you
make it
get
a
enough
better player.
information in this course to last you at least 6 months to a year before you get perfected. Thanks so much for being here, Reed.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.